Hello, I'm Benjamin Santi, and this is an assignment submission for CSE 341. And this is a survey API, which is my choice of API to develop during the 2 weeks of this assignment. And the requirement for this assignment is one that all endpoints are working, and then data validation is also included, and then error handling using a try and catch block, and then returning a 400 or 500. And also the endpoints also work with the deployed link as well. And then also all secret or sensitive data is being stored in a safe place and not being pushed to GitHub. So this is the project, and these are the folders following the MVC architecture. And also it's being documented using Swagger. So to test the endpoints, I think I would have to use the render link, which is the deployed one, because from the requirements, that is what we have to be testing. So I'll first show my controls. Just so we can see that all endpoints required in the assignment are here, which is the get all survey, get by ID, also create survey, update survey, and then delete survey. Now from this you can see that there is no try and catch block for handling the errors bar. There's a middleware folder here with the errors being handled here. Since these types of errors will be repeated throughout all the routes, so I thought it would be it would be better if I created a file for each of them, so it will prevent me typing or repeating stuff. So this is the first error, and a second one for the 404, and also we have our validation JS here for one. This one is for creating a survey and also for updating for the meantime. And then I have a logger.js, which is just for logging the access route. So in case somebody accessed, let's say, a get, a post, or a put, maybe displays the route in the console and also in the render link, in the render dashboard where we have our server hosted. It also displays the route there as well. And then I won't show my drawing video, but all our sensitive data is there, like our connection string for the MongoDB, and then also our Swagger. This is a file for our Swagger, and the auto-generated file as well. So I'll go into my browser and then test the route using the render link. Okay, so this is my GitHub where I have my survey API, and from the folders here, .env, and then the package-locked.json are not being pushed here because they hold sensitive data information, and also the requirement survey are not supposed to push it to GitHub. So I'll go into the documentation so that we can test the routes. So this is my link from render, and I already have, I think I tested one route, but I'm going to redo it again. So this is the first get route, which will get all survey. and I want to copy the title description and it's active so that we can create a new one with. And this is the post route. So we are going to use this opportunity to also test the validation, which is the express validator. In our express validator, the title is required. So without the title, we won't be able to create this post. So if I remove this title and then okay, so we have the error that says this is our error, and it says type field messages. This is required. So basically, this field is required, and the part is the title, location, body. So you see, without the title, we can't create a survey. So I'll add the title, and then let's retry. And now we have our survey created. So I'll copy the ID. Then let's try the get by ID route. And we have our survey here. And then also the update route. We change from what is the tallest tree in the world to Africa. And also, if it's active, we set it to true. And then we leave agriculture. So okay, so it seems we put a comma at the end. Let's remove this comma and then we try. So we have our survey updated. You can see we have what is the tallest tree in Africa, and also changing that it's active from false to true. So now let me copy the ID and then let's try the delete. Okay, so survey deleted, and when we try to find by ID, the survey is not found because we deleted it. So this is the end of this video. Thanks.